right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.